Oh shit, y'all, it's about to go down. TikTok might be gone, and I'm sad because this is where I really fucks with y'all. Like Facebook and Instagram, don't get me wrong, I can go live there too, but it just ain't the same. You know what I mean? Like the followers over here is just lit. But make sure y'all follow me. It's Waxing Queen Adventures on my YouTube channel and my Instagram. That way, if shit does go off, y'all know where to find your girl. So we are using the Hypnotic Purple Seduction by Sexy Smooth Wax. You already know she go on cute. She dry fast. I'm going to go ahead and just, my wrist was hurting me a little bit here with that tendonitis, but we made it happen, baby. Like, look at that. Gorgeous. Look at this. Gorgeous. Damn, she didn't even like she was that hairy. Let me turn it to the side. We need a little side view. She cute. Do your little cleanup strip. It should be thinner. And when they have creases like this, just try your best to get the wax in the creases so we make sure we get all them hairs out. Don't be afraid, okay? It doesn't hurt the client when you apply pressure in the creases or nothing. So this strip should definitely be thinner. And then when you take it off, do a little stagger dagger. That's the best method to get all the hairs up that are remaining. At least my opinion. Follow up with your aftercare. And don't forget, you can save 50% off this wax. And then use code Waxing Queen to get an extra 20% off. And grab your pretty kitty a body oil. Click the link in the bio. Thanks for watching. And go follow me on Instagram and on YouTube. Bye.